Okay, welcome back to the live stream. People, how are you doing? Tell me. I hope you all are doing good. So, first of all, yesterday we did good, and today morning, I took one trade that was, let me just make it this bigger. So, this was the trade I have taken over here. We had a sell. I was expecting that, we'll have a little bit of space left to fill up. You can say that if I uh, we are on 15 minute, right? Let's jump to 30 minute. So I was expecting that price will come at this area. Okay, so that's why I was taking the sell over here in the morning. I was expecting some volume. This was a really good trade. Price did went above and break below this area, and I seen that we can, if it breaks here, then yeah, sales will be really good. But I waited for a little bit. I was expecting that price. What if this 30 minute can reject? So I get an entry point at a 15-minute time frame, and I took it, put stop loss above, and right down till here, closed around 0.50 lot size. And after that, I closed another trade, a whole trade over here at the entry point, losing around $16 or so because I knew that this was not supposed to happen. I was expecting that price will continue going down till here before rejecting and going back up. So, oh, wait a second. You guys can hear me, right? Yep. I think so. Yeah. It's so, it does show me that you guys can hear me. So I'm good, I guess. And besides that, we have taken another trade over here that was a sell as well. So we had this price coming at this area, rejecting this area again with a huge bearish candle. So next candle could potentially continue going down, and I was expecting that it will go down till here, which I thought it will, but it didn't. So it, after like going back a little bit of down, it started coming back to my entry point, like 10 pips or so. So I closed 0.50 lot size again and let the rest trade run till it, if it reject or hit my stop loss. So it did. So overall, we are down for around 0.10% today. But if we go to current week, I think, yeah, overall, we are down around $250 for the week. So that's 0.20%. All history, 0.50%. So yeah, right now, what we are looking for is some really good opportunities that could be good. So we have NY session coming up in an hour, I guess. This is a pre-NY, I think. That's why we are seeing some volume. Looking, let's do some fresh analysis. Let me just remove these things. Where are we? Drawings. Let's delete. Okay. Clean chart. Let's do some fresh analysis. Looking at the monthly candle over here, we have like this is the last week. So new monthly candle will open up. Keep in mind. So at the time looking at this thing, uh, I think next candle could easily open up and do a little bit of a retracement to the upside before continuing down. I'm looking for sales, to be honest. And looking at this weekly candle, which did open like this, we are breaking the low over here. So I'm gonna mark that area out. Here, this is the weekly low over here. We're breaking that low. So I'm expecting if we are doing that, we should continue going down till the bottom of this area. So let's go to daily time frame just to take a look what we are looking at. Okay, we had a weekly low over here. Daily is breaking the low of the previous candle as well. So if this daily candle flip above this area, then we are looking for buys. Otherwise, we are not looking for buys at the moment. Okay, so now that's it. What do we have on daily time frame? Like, okay, this is the support area we have. Pretty good, pretty nice support area. So we might expect to come down till here today. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, just to checking in. So if we break below, we have next stop is this area. We might fill up this wick. So yeah, I'm gonna target that. Okay, and from 1 hour, we're gonna draw our things. Okay, we're gonna put fill white. Yeah, there we go. So we have a break of the structure on 1 hour, like not a break because candle is not yet closed. Putting another thing at the top, we have a resistance, price is going down. We have another strong resistance at the above. So how about we just mark that one out, because that looks, that price is clean, and so we are approaching this area over here a little bit to the left hand side. Let's draw things. Let's do some kindergarten children playing. Okay, so this is our area of rejections, you can say. Okay, some this is a weekly low, that's why we have the candle over there. This is our rejection point. So we are seeing that price already started to reject. Looking at the 1 hour, going to 30-minute time frame, we have a closure on the, let's go a little bit to adjust our things. Okay, yeah, this is our week. So if candle is closing above that area, we are good. At the moment we cannot take any trades because, yeah, prices, if it breaks below this area, then I might start look for sells again. But right now, it's pretty hard to guess. We are approaching a support. It's a really strong support. Looking at the this area, we are approaching a really good support. This is a break of the weekly candle, including, let me zoom in, let me zoom in. So yeah, we had a break of the weekly support this area. Let's go to 30-minute time frame. Yep. So if we break below this candle, should we continue? Should we continue going down? Question is that for 4 hour candle, we are breaking the low at the moment. If we are breaking the low on the 4 hour candle, at the same time we had this area over here as a support level. We have rejected twice of that. So if we reject again, then we are expecting some consolidation, and I think price will, do you really think price will reject or continue going down? Okay, yeah. So here's the thing, people. Here's the thing. Let me zoom in left hand side. What do we have? We have nice area, price started going up after that. So if we do consolidation, create a support before going up on the 15-minute or 30-minute time frame, yeah, we can start looking for buys. Okay. So right now I'm gonna mark this area out. So if we do consolidation over here, if we do a little bit of a consolidation like this one, if we see like this candle or this candle, something like that, then I will take a buys. I'll do a reverse entry, like a reverse trend entry, you can say, and we're gonna put stop loss exactly below that area. So if we break below again, okay, then we are looking for sells below this line over here, you see, okay, below this line, not this white zone, below this lines. This white zone is on a 30-minute time frame. It's last candle was closed above this area, so we might see some rejections, you know. The good thing is the current 15-minute candle, if you take a look at the 15-minute candle right now, it's still respecting the lows over here. So what it means, what does it mean, people? What does it mean? That means that if we reject this area and come back down, then we have enough volume that price will continue going down. Okay, but first price need. Who do we have today? Who's watching the live stream? Just say hi in the chat. People just say hi. Just checking if you guys can hear me. Hello, hello. Okay. So yeah, everything's working fine. Like I was checking on my phone, the live stream is working right, and yeah, microphone is pretty good. So yeah, there won't be any problem. I guess you guys can hear me properly and everything. So back on the track, we are looking for retracement here. So taking a look at the 30-minute time frame, if this whole candle do retrace to the upside, ooh, then I guess we will consolidate more. Great, great. All good. Oh, I forgot to say that GJ is looking pretty interesting. Okay. So remember we did the analysis on GBP USD? Sorry, GBP USD, not the GJ. Okay. GJ is looking shit. Yeah. So taking a look at the GBP USD right now, we are out of the consolidation area. How do I say that we are out of the consolidation area? Is okay. Let me go to 4 hour to explain that a little bit. So what we were doing here is making a high, but respecting the lows over here. So we were in the uptrend, but here we break the low, we s- take out the liquidity over here to the upside, and then we started trending to the downside. Okay, we are making a lower low over here. So this over here, this on a 4 hour time frame. If you take a look at this area, we break below, retested that high on a 4 hour candle. With the current 1 hour candle, we are going down. We are going down, baby. We are going down. Ooh, we missed that move. Ah, okay. So here's the thing. Let me draw something. So if we find a really good trade on this one, we're still good, okay? Don't you think? Yeah, so let's say if we break below these areas, then I'm gonna take a sell. Or if we respect this uh, resistance over here and break the low. Sorry, yeah. So as I was saying that if we respect the resistance and reject this above area again, looking at the 15-minute time frame. So most likely if we reject this area again, then I will be looking for sells below this area because looking at the 4 hour and 1 hour time frame price is looking to be pretty good because we were in a really huge consolidation. We are out of that consolidation right now. And looking at the higher time frame over here, yeah, looking at the higher time frame, we are trending really nicely. Take a look. We made a low, create a low high, another low, lower high. Now we are going back to making another low. So I'm expecting if we break below, I'm expecting a move till down here before continuing anywhere. But hopefully it is not a fake out. So if we break below this area, we have 60 minutes left for this 1 hour candle to close. If we break below this area, then most likely I'm expecting that price could continue going down. Oh, we have too big of what we call this. Let me fill, make it white. Uh, yeah, so make it a little bit smaller because this look like a really big thing, which we do not need. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, I'm expecting this is a really strong area of rejection at the moment because it's on 1 hour. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have another area that might be a rejection, which is this one. Okay. So if we break below and continue going down, then I think I'm expecting price to go. We are rejecting at this area. See, price is trying to reject this areas and they are broken below. What do we have on gold? Is gold is rejecting? Why do I have a feeling that price will drop today more? Interesting, right? Okay, we got a closure on 15-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute, how well? Yeah, this is the last 15 minute for 1 hour as well. Looking at uh, this area, I think if we close below these areas, okay, on 1 hour, then yeah, we will see if the next candle could go down and how much pips we can get out of this. If we take a trade here, that's ooh, 10 pips only. Interesting. How much we have here? This is from here to here. That's 25 pips. I think we should stick with gold because this is like in on gold. What is it like? If it's a pretty small ranges, but in those range we can get really good amount of profit. For an example, if on the break of this area, if we took a look at the 15-minute time frame, if I have taken a trade here or maybe here when price did break, I would have made like 0.60%. So why not just stick with the gold because we are good at that, right? Interesting. So we did create a support that this rejection count as a support if we break below. Uh, I'll be looking for something for sure. Look at that. Price is going down really. Good. When do we have news? When do we have it? So we have news at 7:30 p.m. New home sales. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we have a lot of time before the news and taking a trade before the news right now. I think price have moved, let's say, how much here to here to here. it's still making the lower lows, but whenever it does make the lows, for example, here it made a low, again made a low, but it started rejecting, went back up. So I'm expecting if we do the same right now, can we get that move? Can we? Let's look at the 15-minute, 5-minute time frame. How we are looking. If we get a rejection of this point one or twice, then let's assume if we on the break of this area, if we get it buys and target this highs over here, we can get 0.40% on this trade and we are in a loss of 0.10%. That is gives us on the day 0.30% of a profit at the end of the day. That's good. I know like why you guys will be like why I'm counting my profit in 0.30%, because I'm on a funded account and we have only to risk around 6 to 7% of that. So, sorry, 10%, but like still we do not want to, risk all of that. So, what I'm trying here is to create at least make 2 to 3%. Okay. After that, we'll take a risk. I'll take the bigger rate than the normal. In 10 minutes, we'll close over here. Actually, I can increase my lot size. And even if I target 10 pips or for 5.25, what we can target is around 10 pips. That will be better. Let's see, 5.5. Why did I just say? Okay, let's see if the candle do break below this area and continue going down. Yeah, if we increase our lot size, then we are good. But yet, GJ is really, GBP USD is really something that is I need to check a lot. We got a multiple confirmation, prices trending nicely. So mm, okay, how much will be risking? I checked the profit, I didn't check the risk. So if we enter on the break of this low on the 30-minute time frame, taking a look, if next candle to break the lows over here, if we enter here 0.50% on a trade right now on GU in order to target how much? So for an example, what I'm expecting on this 30-minute time frame, if the next candle open up and this candle go up a little bit, retrace, reject these areas and flip back down, that could be one potential entry point. So from that here to here, that's 0.70%. But if price doesn't do that, respect this highs and break this lows and enter here, then that gives me only around 0.40% or so. Okay. But I need to risk around 0.50% or so. So 1 to 1 risk to reward or 1 to 2. We have two potential entry points. We can check and see. So if you don't know, if you're not in the in my Discord group, let me tell you what is good that you can, So whenever I do take the trade over here, I just explain that I'm taking the short and I just tell you guys how you can, manage your risk at that point. But keep in mind on Discord, whenever I do take the trade, okay, that will be like 1 or 2 minutes you will get later in the trade, because I think, let's say if I enter right now and I send you immediately, that will still count like 10 to 15 seconds late in the entry. So wait for the right entry point or just be at the right. Because in the morning, this was a pretty good setup. If I had get an entry here on the break of the structure immediately, then I would be targeting around, let's say, from here to here, that 0.60%. I would have closed that immediately. But as I get an entry point here, I was not able to close. I was able to only close around 0.10% and let the rest run. So we have 15-minute candle closure in 6 minutes, 24 seconds. This area, why have market out? Keep in mind that we had a huge bullish run after hitting this area. So even if I go in the past, we had another bullish run after hitting this area. So what I'm looking for over here when price do hit this area, if it reject, I'm looking for buys. Okay. Keep in mind if it break below this area, that's a break of the weekly candle. So if we see some volume, if I see some volume, that price could continue going down till here, possibly, and then reject and go back up. But I'm not expecting that this area will be broken so easily. So that's why I'm a little bit concerned that how price will move. Today we have really risky trades on GU and gold and everywhere. We have this candle. We didn't have any bottom wick at the candle. Fuck, I didn't see that. No, we have a really small wick. But in next 4 minutes, we will have a closure. So I'm not gonna take the trade right now. We're gonna wait. Oh, description link is not working. Sure, I will do it. Sure, sure. Thank you for letting me know. There you go, bro. Oh, okay, what do we have? GBP USD is flipping bearish. Okay, okay. We have 15-minute candle flipping bearish as well. How many minutes we have left? Around 3 minutes to seconds. Should we take the trade over here? Like if I do, I need to put stop loss exactly above the candle, which is how much? 350 on 5 lot size in order to target around 420. But I will wait. I'll wait for like 3 minutes. I'll wait for 3 minutes. If this candle is closing bearish and next candle do break this lows over here, then we're gonna take the entry point. That will give us a more confirmation and a better entry. So yeah, for gold, yeah, I'm gonna wait. Not sure if we should take a trade or not yet. If it is in your model, why not? To be honest, this setup that you see whenever price is trending, let me tell you guys, this is the best setup you will ever get. Okay, I'll explain right now in the live market. Okay, so let's go to 30-minute time frame just to show you guys. Okay, let's find a trending over here. Okay, let's find a trend, something better. Okay, so for an example, whenever this price is trending and it do reverse, look at this, price is going down. After that, you will see a bullish candle before continuation of the trend. Here, price break down, break the low. We got a bullish candle before the continuation of the trend. Okay, let's see here. Price went up, breaking that trend. We got a bullish candle, then continuation of the low. This is the best entry point, I mean entry setup that I got in my journal, you can say. Okay, so we have a similar thing over here. Is price is going down and green big bullish candle. Now it's breaking the lows. It could continue going down, but another thing I'm not looking for is that there is no topic of of the candle. So that's give me a little bit of a hesitation before entering the trade. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for some period of time to see how it works. Works. Oh, it's raining. It's raining right now. Do I need to do anything? Yeah, everything is closed, so yeah, everything will be fine, I guess. Let me turn on my lights so you guys can see my beautiful face. Okay, lights. Where are you from? I'm from India. I was in Paris last year, and right now I'm in India. Okay, we are breaking the lows over here, but last 18 second left for the 15-minute candle to close. On GU is the same thing. So here's the thing, as I said, if we break the lows, I'm gonna take the trade. Let's wait for, if we didn't get a wick at the bottom, that's what we are not looking for only. Okay, no wick at the bottom, candle open up. We have a wick over here. For GU, we don't have any wick. So what does that mean? There are two ways of to trade this kind of candle. Is first, the price will have a really good bearish pressure. So it didn't have time to create a wick, so it just started going down. Okay. Second is this will count as a rejection and a fake out. This candle will reject and started going up, break the highs, and that's a thing. So not gonna take the trade here. We're gonna wait for gold. I mean, we are approaching the support over here, a really strong one, not something. 1 hour did close, breaking the lows, no top wick. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, this is 1 hour. Okay, we are approaching weekly levels. We are approaching weekly levels over here. If you take a look here, we are approaching weekly levels. Okay. If we break below, we have a clean traffic on a weekly time frame till here. Okay. Do you guys think we should take the trade that it should continue going down till here? Should we? Price is looking good. I said like if we break the weekly levels that I might be looking for sells. Why not? I mean, right? Let me tell you what. Let's go to 5 minute time frame. If we get a closure below this area on a 5 minute time frame, then I'm gonna take the trade. But I need to see a really good closed candle. And the next 5 minute candle should break the low of the previous candle. Oh boy. But this was a really good entry point. Like we rejected, as I said, if we reject this area, I'm gonna wait for a price. But the only thing that is the problem was this week entry. We had a week that was good. We have a 5 minute closure in 1 minute 50 seconds. That's it. Oh, look at that. 5 minute is rejecting right now. So if we do reject and close bullish on 15 minute or 30 minute time frame, I might start looking for buys, okay? But we need a small closure as well. I'm not gonna take any blind trades like without any confirmation because you know what will happen? You know what will happen? We're gonna lose 1%. And for net account, 1% losing is like a 10%. I think 5 minute candle did close. Oh no, we have still 30 seconds. But so the thing is we are closing above weekly level as well and the zone 20 seconds. Oh, look at that. It's still respecting the weekly levels and it closed above. Okay. Right. Come back to 15 minute and 30 minute time frame. So we got a closure above these areas and a 15 minute time frame. Okay. So if we get a break above these areas, I'm looking for buys. That would be till here 0.50%. Looking good. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for, I think. This would be a really good entry point if I enter at the reverse of this area. Putting stop loss below, how much will I be risking if this candle flip and put 0.30% in order to target around 0.80%? Okay, yeah, I'm back. So we got the, I mean, we did flip bullish, but we are still having some nice pressure to the downside. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? How? We uh not taking a trade right there. Looking at the zones. Give me a yep, okay. We have 15-minute candle closed in around 22 minutes. And same for, look at this, the reason why I didn't enter. So how many pips that was? That was like 3.6 pips. So because of that rejection, kind of, I didn't enter. Same for here, I didn't enter because of the rejection thing. So if this 15-minute candle flows bullish or while rejecting this area and something like this one, next candle break the highs, then I might be taking a buys here and riding the upside. At least till zone. This is till this area. What's time we have left for the 30 minutes? We have 15 minutes left. We have 45 minutes left. Do you guys think that we could first potentially go up and before continue to the downside? But overall trend is to the downside. Okay, so even if we go up to secure profit as soon as possible before price to go down or maybe reject. Okay, we have closure in 25 seconds. Before that, let's do a Okay, we got 15-minute closure right here. Looking at the GU, how did that closed? Like this one? We're approaching and breaking the lows again. Hmm. Price is trending really nicely, but no, I'm still not convinced to take sells because if I needed to take sells, my entry point should be here, not here. Let's see. Gold is not showing any bearish volume at the moment. And if I take a buy or sorry sell over here, we have a really small range to continue going down. That's like 0.20%. And if it rejects, then we are risking around from our entry point till here 0.30 or more, most likely. Because I cannot put stop loss exactly above this candle. I need to put it above this area, and we have to manage spread. That is 1 pip. So even if we have a movement like 4 pip, I'm giving 5 pip, I'm giving 1 pip to the broker and 4 pips left for me. So not gonna take the trade. This, if we break this highs, yeah, I'm gonna take the buy over here. How much pips? I will stop loss will be 0.50%. Target will be this area, 0.60%. But in order to do that, we need to break the highs at least first. Actually, after 15 minutes or so, we're gonna enter in NY session. Okay. So because of the NY session, we should have some volume. So if we take a buy over here, then I'm expecting because of the NY session volume, price will continue going up. Ooh, nice move. Like people, if you have taken a sells on this one, congratulations, you win the trade. But yeah, I didn't take the sell yet because I'm looking for buys on gold. Okay, now we are rejecting, I guess, because we had weekly level. Price break that. Okay, GU, like amazing. This was a really good trade if you have taken it. But anyway, we have another potential good entries we can see. We to get it. Oh, we have potential volume to this downside, but in next 8 minutes we are entering in and buy session. If we take and sell right now, okay, but we have no topic as well. Or no? I guess we will wait. So I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close in next 8 minutes, and if we get a closure around this area, then I'm expecting next candle should continue going down till where we have a next zone over here. But let's zoom in, see what could be the potential good entries. Sorry, I mean our exit. We could count this as an exit. So if we got a closure in next 7 minutes before the below these areas, then we are good to take the sells, putting stop loss above and continuation till the downside till here. Let's see. GBP USD, it's still moving, but let's see how it does after breaking these lows. We got a 15-minute candle breaking the low of the previous candle, but we have 6 minutes left before the NY session does start. So let's see what does NY session 2 bring to us. So in the start of the NY session, if the candle do no wick or something like that, then flip bullish and pick this up areas, then I think I'm looking for a buys that could potentially go up before continue the trend. Because here's the thing, like we are still continuation in the downside. You got 5 minutes left. Do you guys think that this 5 minute candle will close bearish and below the zone? If it does, yeah, we are looking for sales, putting stop loss above. But if it does not, let's see if how this candle is reacting, because this is last 4 minute for 30 minute candle. So pretty good, pretty good. GU is still continuation to the downside. I mean, amazing move. If we have taken a sell, yet we did not. Just 3 minutes to wait and before taking any entries over here. So we can there are two potential entry setup that I see right now. Is first on GU is if we break below and close below this area in next to 40 seconds, then I'm expecting that price could continue going down till here. We can make around 0.50% on that rate, but we need to put this SL on a 5 minute time frame. That is not a good stop loss, but anyway, let's see. 2 minute seconds. Okay, so 1 minute left. Twenty-two, 20 second left. We are still going really good to the downside, but let's see. Four, three, two, and one. Okay, we got a closure, but this one, okay. Let's see what we do. Like if we little bit wake up before going down, could be a good potential entry for GU as well. no wick at the bottom, guys, again. Like that's what I don't like. Even if we do continue going down, let's do as do. That's still at 10 pips. I can risk on gold, but taking a risk on GU, that is a little bit concerning right now. Let's see how the price is moving for 15 minutes. And yeah, we need to be really quick over here. If we break the lows over here, then I will take the sell. Because I think if the candle do break the lows, expecting that it would continue till here before I might need to manage risk over here really good, to be honest. I mean, really good. If we break below, we are taking this. Okay. GU, should we take the risk? I need to put stop loss based on 5 minute time frame because we have a really huge range of. I don't feel like so. How much time we have before we hit the news? It's already 5. We have 2 hours left for news to touch in. I'm expecting that will be a bullish candle before price will continue going down. So why not we just wait for it, right? Let's just cancel this order out for now. We have not even broken the low or not taken entry yet. I don't think so. We should risk it just because of the. We wait for this first 15-minute candle and then we see if the how is the price. Like if we get a closure below this area, that means price will continue going down. If we closure above this area, then I think price might continue going up. So our entry point is the same. If we take above this area, I'm expecting it to price to go up. In trading industry, there are two type of people. One is a analytics, second is a trader. So analytics guy, he knows how to do analysis. He can do a really good analysis, but he cannot execute trade on those setup because of the emotions and the psychology thing. He get hesitated hesitate to execute the trade, or you know, there's some things on the mind. Because of that, he doesn't execute the trade. But on trader, he have the guts. He saw the analysis and he have the guts that yeah, price will move this way. So have you know different type of things. So for an example, on GU, I knew that price will come down, but I didn't have the guts right now that price will. What if price do reject? So right now, I'm I can do analysis, but my execution, I'm learning that that the entry point we need better, things like that. 9 minutes left for the 15-minute candle close. Let's see. I think yeah. So if we flip back up bullish, on 1 hour time frame. So that's my buy entry. For GU, nah, I'm not gonna take the trade right now. So we got till here to here, we got around 140 pips, 130 pips or so. And I'm expecting even if we respect, even if we go up around 75 pips, that's still good for us. We have 7 minutes left before the 50-minute candle do close. Even if we do come at this area, I'm gonna wait for the 50-minute candle to close. Keep in mind, I'm not gonna enter the trade right now. We're gonna wait. So what I'm expecting, if this next 15-minute candle to go up, retraced and rechecked, it still continue trend to the downside because we have a huge strong level here. Six-minute left. I'm expecting that first 50-minute candle should close bullish, then next candle can continue the trend, but let's see. I mean, so that's why I'm not executing any trade on this area right now. Okay, 1 hour candle is flipping bullish. We got a nice. So I think we will raise, then come down. 5 minutes left. People, 5 minutes left. Look at that. This is a really good amount of volume that we are getting from upside. So we break the highs on 5 minute time frame. We are changing the trend over here and over here. So yeah, I know what you guys are thinking that we are missing the entries again, but trust me, we are not. Sorry. I would love to enter here, but trust me, the only reason I'm not entering this trade is we need a candle closure in the next 5 minutes. After that, we can enter a trade. GJ, I think we are still respecting this resistance, and next candle could go up and reject those areas before continue the trend till downside. I think most likely we'll hit these areas. Let's see. So 3 minutes. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. Okay, we are getting a really good amount of bullish momentum. We have 1 minute 50 seconds left for candle to close. So yeah, let's see. So as I said, like we have a rejection point over here. So most likely we will we won't be like easily that support can be broken on 1 hour and 4 hour. So we did reject it. This is a heavy rejection candle, but I didn't enter the trade because we need a candle closure to confirm that we have a really bullish volume before we enter any trade. So we have 50 seconds left before this 15-minute candle close. So once we see that this candle closed above these areas, then we can take the trade, wait for the next candle to move down a little bit before continue the trend. Same for GBP USD. I think we are rejecting right now. 30 seconds. Your 15-minute candle just open up. We have another candle like if you retest and reject, then I'm gonna interpret. Okay. We are sorry, I'm gonna close this one. So yeah, we are rejecting. Possibly we are rejecting those areas, but we are not flipping bullish yet. So waiting for that. Just there you go, there you go. I don't understand right now is because We have a clear direction, but we have the 30-minute candle closure in next 15 minutes. Keep in mind that it have already moved 74 pips in one single time. So does that mean the next 15-minute candle will move another 60 pips? Most likely not. So that's why I'm think do some little calculation and we are not gonna enter the trade because this will be a fake out and price will come down before I think going anywhere. So let's see. This is a little bit hard to explain on this because I have a feeling that I don't think so that price will much much move around here. Even if it does move, how much wave is that? That will be 0.40 20 pips or so. So taking a trade on the 20 pips, putting stop loss is like 33 pips. I'm not gonna take that chances right now. Looking at a 1 hour time frame, we are a closer in 10 minutes, 12 minutes. So what I expect that price will do. Okay, wait. So I think we're gonna enter a trade when price hit these areas again. Because taking a trade right now, it doesn't, for some reason, it doesn't feel right. I think this candle will check, close bearish here, then the next candle can continue going bullish. Okay, they are going up. So take a look at the GBP USD, right? Candle went up, rejected. Taking a look at the 5 minute time frame, we are rejecting this zone. If we get a candle closure below this area, then how much? In next 10 minutes, if we get a closure like that, let's see what we can do with the next candle. And I think this will reject and close. Even GU did the same thing. Like first it went up a little bit, then rejected and coming back down. So I think I'm expecting the same thing on gold. Went up a little bit, coming back down. Keep in mind we have news as well today, so we might see. Yeah. So we got a really heavy rainfall right now. Well, hope it doesn't like, mess with my Wi-Fi or internet connection. Otherwise, our live stream will go, so which we do not want. So we have 5 minutes left for 15-minute candle to close, 30-minute candle to close, and 1 hour candle to close. Here's the time. Now, if we get closure of this candles bullish like this above this area, so what we have? We have a really good fake out to the downside, and I think next candle could continue going up till the next zone. We have got a really good amount of bullish pressure over here, and I'm expecting that price could go till till this zone. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for at least another 5 minutes, see how the candles are reacting. If we got a rejection and coming back into these zones, okay, then we can get a potential long over here in these zones till to the upside, okay, set till the year. We got 4 minutes left. 50-minute candle is started to reject. So not no like if it close bearish, then our buys idea are invalid right now. If it close bearish, okay. Same for GU. Let's see if it close bullish or bearish. In the meantime, I can answer your question if you have any. The whole move that we did till now on GU is like whole retracement here. So I'm expecting this as a resistance. If it is checked, then we can see a clear move now till downside till here. 2 minute left, 2 minute 14 seconds. I mean, if we see the next channel is still continue going up, no, we are slowing down. Looking at the 5 minute time frame, the bullish volume is a little bit getting slower. 1 minute left, people. 1 minute left. Let's adjust our zones first. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we are coming back into the ranges. This is our weekly, I think, level. This is the level that we are looking for to solve till now. We have a huge imbalance. Let's bring that 30-minute, 15-minute. in 33 seconds, 1 hour candle will close, and this will be, I think, let's see, this will be the last candle for 4 hour as well, as much as I know. Looking at the 4 hour, to be honest, this looks like volume is slowing down to the sell side, and we might see some uptrend. We got closure on 1 hour. We are okay. If we do not break the highs right now, before breaking the highs, I would like to see a retest of this area, and then we can enter a trade. Let's see if we do a retest before breaking the highs on a 50-minute, 30-minute time frame on both of them. A small retest to this zone, take an entry here, put stop loss, continuation to the upside. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, I know price is like trying to break the highs, but it would be really good if we can see let's take a buy. 30 minutes breaking the highs. Yeah, let's take the buy. We're gonna put stop loss below this previous because we waited, got good confirmations. We're gonna target these highs. Okay. We are seeing immediately some bullish pressure. Like if I put stop loss below the previous candle, losing around 0.50%. And for me to target these highs, that's too much of I mean, floating in speed, we cannot. So as soon as this price to touch this area, I need to close the trade. Let's see if we can pull it out. So as we are breaking the highs over here, we're gonna move over SLN below current candle. We are up around 200. Okay, we are approaching entry point again. So I think as 1 hour, if 1 hour have enough, see if this candle flip bearish, then I do not think so price will continue going up. It will flip bearish and go down. Okay. But if it's continue going up, then I'm expecting that it will continue going up to the upside like a little bit more to 2320. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Let me know your thoughts. Okay, I think if we touch this resistance, okay, then I'm gonna close partials and target this 2320. So as soon as we are touching this resistance, I'm gonna close partials. Okay, let's modify our position. Let me show you guys that we're gonna close partials. Waiting. So right now, I'm waiting. Price have not yet touched the resistance zone like 231750. That will be the our zone. So now this, you take a look at the 15-minute time frame. So if we flip bearish, yeah, then not good at all. We are losing around 0.30% on this trade. Okay, in order to target around 1%, keep in mind we are closing things at the zone. Well, I'm gonna move this to a different screen so it just doesn't, hurt you guys. But yeah, keep in mind I'll be closing 0.70 lot size on high, on the touching of this highs. This closing partials here. Okay. We have 5 minutes left before this 15-minute candle to closed, and 30-minute candle, we have 20 minutes left. So if we flip bearish on this 30-minute candle, yeah, then I think we will again continue going down, breaking the support, and yep. Okay, we are coming back to the entry point, closed 0.70 lot size. That means I'm going to close some. Okay, you can see I already close small amount of thing. Where is it? Yeah, here, $35 loss. Okay, we closed 0.70. Why did we close 0.70? Because price should have continued going up, not coming back down at our entry point. Not expected that. So close 50%, not gonna risk much. So if price wanted to continue going up, it could go up till the zone. So TP is only this area, right? Okay, we are seeing some rejection on GU. So potential sells we can take, but we need to wait for rejection candle to close. So if we get a candle closed as a bearish candle, then I'm expecting that price will continue going down till here, and we can take a sell. Three-minute left for 15-minute candle to close. 'Kay. We have last 2 minutes left. Last 2 minutes. Hmm. 1 minute 50 seconds. People, 1 minute 50 seconds. I'm gonna move my TP because it could just pick up and we need to close partials here, not the whole position. So okay, we are approaching top side. Still waiting. 1 minute 20 seconds left. See if the next candle open up and immediately go to the top side. Immediately, I mean like impulse move to the top side, then I'm gonna close whole position because that candle will reject and bring us down. But let's say 59 seconds. How's our GU looking? So 30 seconds. Okay. We got 30-second left. Let me put this here. So as we hit to the top side immediately, then I'm gonna close. That's what I said, right? We are not going immediately, I guess. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got the move. We are moving a little bit. For us to close partials, let us hit the resistance. Sometimes price to take forever. Okay, we are breaking the high of the previous candle. Approaching the resistance, I guess. Next stop. Okay, we had a little bit. We just need a little push, or either I can just close whole position right here, right now. We got 170, 160 because I don't see much volume. Price is not pushing at this moment. So what I was expecting that 1 hour close back in the range and everything, so price could have shoot up. So we're gonna move over SL as well at entry point. At least our trade is risk free. Yeah, I'm gonna put this trade as a risk free trade. Oh, looking at the GU, we got a closure bearish. So if this current candle do break the low of the previous candle, then I'll be looking for sells. Okay, here we go. Because I'm pretty sure it will do a retracement before, because we had a huge bullish moment. So retracement is an important thing. Price doesn't move much without retracement. But now today we are down around 0.10%, or you can say $157. But keep in mind, we are still one trade. We can, if I just close this right now, I will be at break even for the day. So no losses, no profit. So we will come back tomorrow and see what we can make. Right? That's what we do. We trade, we can make it or not. GU is pushing bullish right now, like breaking the highs of the previous candles, so not gonna take the sells yet. Okay, we got some pressure coming in gold rate. Okay, so right now, as I said, I was closing around 50% of this resistance, but looking at the market, I'm not sure where should I close. So I'm gonna let this run, is even as it's a risk-free trade. So if it goes to the top, yeah, we make 0.60%. If it doesn't, we are losing around 0.10% of the day. We got a 50-minute can close bearish. That means we're gonna hit our what we just closed it. But most likely price will come down now. Let's just close it here. So we are down today 135. What we're gonna do is wait a little bit more because trading is all about waiting. So we have 1 hour left. Not 1 hour, I guess. Let's take a look at the forex factory. Forex factory. Calendar. Yeah, 6:30. After half hour, we have this news. So it's been six. Okay, 1.5 hour. Not gonna wait that much. I'm gonna wait if we can see a potential entry points on GU or gold. So on GU, if I'm looking for sells, price should stay below these areas. So I'm expecting that we can see a rejection and then continuation to the downtrend. If we do not see a rejection, yeah, that's a tough. Take a look. It stop us out, and then it's gonna like I did close them eventually, but I'm pretty sure it would stop us out if that was a big wick. So eventually, our entry point was here was better or here was better, but the only reason I waited was confirmation. So not every day is a trading day, guys. We're gonna wait today till now we have lost around 0.50% of the account. We started on I think it's been on what on Monday. Yeah, it's been 3 days since we started the account. So I'll be here. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Give me a moment till then. Okay, people, what do we have? So gold is still at that. Looking at that, okay, this is good. So we have 4 minutes left before this candle close. If we break below this area in the next 4 minutes, we're gonna take the sell, put stop loss above these areas, and yeah, potentially a good entry point for price to continue going down. How much is it? Yeah, losing 0.40% on the day. But let's see. We have 3 minutes 40 seconds left. If we break this lows, yeah, I'm looking potential sells and retail here. I'm gonna move. I have put what we call and sell stop. We break. We are losing 50% in order to target percent. That would be our trade idea today. But in order to do that, we need to see a closure bearish. Okay. Gold is now touching the resistance. So first, what it did, if we have hold the trade, it stop us out. Now it's coming back to the top side. Like no point. To be honest, we can target this lows over here as that was 2 minutes left. People, 2 minutes left. Let's see. So 1 minute 21 seconds. Hopefully we do take below. It does not. And I need to take a look at a smaller time frame. What do you have going? Oh, even the 30-minute candle is closing. This could be a pretty good trade then. Whenever is flipping bearish too. So yeah, pretty good trade, I guess. This. Give me a moment. People, give me a moment. I'm getting a call. our order to get executed. And what do we have? Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we did break the low of the previous candle. And yeah, okay, this candle was not expected, but yeah, if we just continue going down a little bit, then I think we can still see it. But if we reject and continue go up, mhm, this would be a little bit of problem. But like looking at the 1 hour, this 1 hour candle, I think we did close below this area, and the setup is pretty good. So remember what I said, it's a similar setup like this. And our stop loss is, if we break above the stop loss, that means this 1 hour candle will close bullish. Okay. But if we go and continue going down, then I'm expecting price could easily touch these zones. Okay. So I'm targeting 80%. I would love to risk a little bit more on this trade, but the only reason I would love to risk more is because it's a pretty good setup. Okay. For me, it is. If we lost, then I mean, low, high, high. So yeah, this is the trade we have taken. Our entry point is this. Stop loss above this area. Looking for sell. Price should come down. Let's see. I'm good. How are you? Okay. Let's take a look at the 5 minute time frame. We are rejecting. Okay. So this 5 minute candle we have post 3 to 1. It just closed with a new candle. I'll take my partials when we come down a little bit, here. We got 7 minutes left for 15-minute candle to close. Let's see. We are breaking below right now. Okay. So right now we are running in profit. So let's see now how this trade goes. So in next 5 minutes, what I'm expecting when this candle do close around these areas, we can move or sell exactly above the current candle. Let's see. 5 minute is breaking the low. Does 5 minute have no wick? Ooh, okay. No wick at the top. That's bad, little bit. And it's on a 5 minute time frame, and our trade is on 30 minute. And based on that time frame, let's see how it does. Gold is pushing to the upside. So when I said I was targeting this area, that was a pretty good trade too. Okay, we got the 5 minute closure below this area. Pretty good movement. So if we break just below the low, I'm expecting a nice push to the downside. Yeah, I think we have 1.5 hour left for the news on gold. So I'll be watching chart at that time. So we'll be online on Discord, possibly. So what about if this trade is not that successful, then I'll be taking on that trade on gold. But there's a big if. Let's see. Because yet on 15 minute we have 3 minutes left and candle have not yet closed. So if this candle does not close bearish like this, then I need to close partials if it close bullish, right? 2 minutes 50 seconds. On the other hand, like for GU to move down, it does do many fake outs. So because keep in mind, GU does not move in one way. Look at this. It was going down, but with a candle wicks. In next 2 minutes, 2 minutes left. We have 15-minute closure on gold rejecting this resistance over here. So if we are looking for a retracement, I'm expecting price will retrace at this moment. So if you're looking for sells, this could be an opportunity as well. But keep in mind, most likely for taking sells, this price could easily go up, reject this area, and then come down. Okay, so that's why I'm not taking sells over here. I'm gonna wait for the news we have. And yeah, I think 1 minute left for the candle to close. Let's see how these 15-minute candles are closing. So we get an overview and idea that where GU will go in the next candle. How long it's been since we started live stream? It's been 2 hours and 16 minutes. Okay, like in some time I need to go, but let's see. Okay, we got the new 15-minute candle just open right now. So let's see how it's reacting. If we retest this break of the structure before going down, that's totally fine. We have a wick. So if we break this wick, I'm expecting move to the down. Very nice one. Gold we rejected twice. So next candle, reject, break, come down. We are breaking the low of the previous candle. Pretty good. So now we just need to wait and see if this candle do continue going down or not. And looking at 30-minute time, what is the good? So now, so I was wondering if should move my stop loss above this candle, but the thing is, we still have 30 minutes left for this candle to close. Or once we do quite a closer on 30 minutes, then we can move stop loss. But right now, I do not think so. Do you see this? Like we are already below our entry point and we are still in negative. I don't understand why broker does that. 30-minute break the high, reversing, coming back down, 30-minute left. Okay, 1 hour candle will close as well in 12 minutes. So if this 1 hour candle do flip bearish, what do you see? Again, a continuation to the downside. We taken out some liquidity in New York session for sell. So let's see if we can break below and continue. I'm around like next 10 minutes. I'll stay on the live stream. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, ask me. After that, I'm gone. We have our one trade running on GBP USD, which is in profit, $150. Our target is this lows over here. Like if you take a look, this is our target. That price will continue going down till that. In the meantime, looking at the gold right now, prices rejecting this resistance area pretty good. Like that means prices respecting this highs over here. So if we get a closure bearish candle on 15 minute, we already did reject it twice. On 30-minute time frame, if we get a closure of bearish candle, then what I'm expecting that next candle should little bit go up, retrace, reject those areas, break these lows, then continuation to the downside till here. Keep in mind, don't hold the trade till here because there are easy chances that price should just do a retracement before continuation to an uptrend, a new uptrend. You know what I mean? So that's my advice. GU, now it's moving pretty fine, pretty good. Nice. So we have 9 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close. Okay. So now I'm gonna move my stop loss to here around 0.30% on this trade, 15-minute candle. So with the current candle, I'm putting my stop loss exactly above the previous candle. Nice and fine. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, we're gonna close in 9 minutes. So in 9 minutes, I'm expecting when we do close, go up a little bit, continuation to the downside, and yeah, we are targeting around 20 pips on this trade. Yet I'm not closing any partials on this trade because I think we can move till here before closing any partials. We have clean traffic to the downside. Okay, on gold, we are breaking the low of the previous candle, previous 30-minute candle. Pretty good, pretty nice. So, okay, what do we have? 8 minutes left, right? Yeah, 8 minutes left for this candle to close. In that 8 minute, you can either wait for that or you can enter an impulse entry and cover this up. But I won't be taking the trade on gold right now. Sorry for that. Even I am like, you see, price is rejecting. Why? That was the reason I was not putting stop loss above here because most of the time what price does before closing, like before the last minute candles, like we have 7 minutes left, right? What it does, it close back here and next candle open up, touch this areas, reject, then continuation. So yeah, let's see how does it close. So if it close at the entry point, I'm gonna again move my stop loss above this areas where our stop loss was, because I'm pretty sure that trend could continue down till the zones. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hour zones. Yeah, I think we should easily hit those areas today. Okay, we got a new 4 hour candle opening up. Ah, okay. I didn't check that. So, okay, so now I need to move. Okay, I'm gonna move myself back to around 0. So why I did that? Because we have a 4 hour candle closure and our stop loss was at the wick. So if we get a new candle open up, even if it goes this much up, that's okay. But if it goes that much up, that means it will continuation to the upside for me. That's why I sell at the good position. And next candle could easily open up, hit the zone, or go below that. And yeah, so I guess in 7 minutes we have a new 4 hour candle opening up. 6 minute, I guess. Pretty good, right? Pretty good. I don't know why, but let me just adjust this. Yeah, 50. I think did we just lose the internet connection? Yep, I guess. Yep, I guess. Oh, we are seeing some volume in the last 4 minutes. Even on gold? Not yet. But on G, yeah. Last time, what I did was close my position before the new 4-hour candle open up, and it went in my favor. So today, I'm gonna a small amount of risk and see if we can hit our TP with a new 4-hour candle opening up. And right now, I think it's safe if we move our stop loss about 30-minute candle. In 1 minute 50 seconds, we will have a new candle opening up. If we hit our TP, it's pretty good. I'm gonna move it a little bit down. Z at 1,000. No, it feels good to hit 1% again. But looking at the gold, oh my god, we had a huge bearish candle rejecting this resistance over here and going back into these areas. So what you guys can see is when the new 4-hour candle open up, you can see that where is the wick point, right? So when this candle flows below this area, this 1-hour candle, I mean, okay, opening up, drive down, take the entry, right? Pretty good trade, I guess. Okay, we got 50 seconds left. 39 seconds, 30 seconds. Even on this trade, I can take a trade if the new candle open up, retest, reject these highs, and then break the lows. Okay, it need to meet the criteria that I'm saying. We should have a wick at this candle. When the next candle open up, reject this line. Okay, we have then flip bearish and break the low of this candle. That's what I'm looking for. But we have no wick at the bottom, so no, I'm not gonna take the trade. But at least if we go up and reject this zone and then flip bearish, yeah, I could consider it. Okay, we did went up, flipping bearish. But my rejection point, 30-minute time frame, where is it? Yeah. So it did went up, but our rejection point is here, not the this. It's a little small rejection on this, what I see. And how much will I get out of this trade? 0.80% in what lots? 1.70, putting S 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. Okay. Okay, let's take a small trade. We're gonna put stop loss exactly above the current candle. So if it flip, we are out of the trade. Okay. Our TP is not that much, 400 or so. Much. So this is a really small confirmation. That's why I have taken this trade with a pretty cautious mind. There is a NY open, new 4-hour candle opening up and in pretty good volume. So if it dry down a little bit before rejections, no problem at all. We can catch at least some few pips, at least $200, $300 on it. I'm expecting that I think we should, if we move down, we should most likely get a rejection at these areas. But hopefully it doesn't, flip bullish. If it flip bullish, then I'm out of the trade. I'm not gonna enter again. And I'm expecting that in the next 10:30 candle, 7:30 news, which is in after 1 hour, and at that time we should able to continue, or maybe we should, come here, consolidate, and go up. So depends on the news what we have. GU, what we are doing on GU, we are retracing a little bit, but if we flip bearish from here, we have clean downside movement. Okay, we are breaking the lows again. That's a good confirmation. Okay, that's a good confirmation. We have GU prices retracing a little bit. Okay, I think I have some minute left. Okay, gold is flipping bullish now. So that's not good. We are out of the trade. Okay. For this trade, we're gonna let this run. I'm gonna wait and see how it's moving out. Our stop loss is $285. That's 0.30%. And in order to target 1%, same thing. So today we lost 0.40% most likely. But look at this retracement. I didn't expect that 4 hour candle will have that big of a retracement, but most likely it will flip bearish again. Oh, okay, wait. I didn't see that coming. No, we are at the 4 hour support over here, which we didn't see before taking the trade. Okay. So let's remove this, mark this as a low. I'm going to mark this as well. Now it's flipping bearish again. Interesting. Yeah, I will let it be. I'm not going to touch gold right now because it's not much to say here. Okay. For GU, I will let this trade run. I'm gonna put my stop loss exactly there, wherever it is. That's negative 4 pips we have in order to target this lows over here. We have that's 1% we are targeting on this trade. So if we win this trade, we will be back up to, I guess, break even. So yeah, that's it, guys. Take care. I will see you tomorrow in the live stream. Thank you for being part of this amazing trading journey. Bye bye.